How to fix Google Maps link not opening on your iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do it, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to long press on your app that is called Google Map. As you can see, you can tap on the option called Remove App and kindly delete your app. Sometimes deleting your app and re-downloading your app is the only option for you to solve the issue. So we are doing that. What else you can do is you can go and reinstall your app again by going on your App Store. Go and type Google Maps and tap on the download option. Once you tap on it, it will automatically be downloaded on your phone. And again, check if it works or not. In this way, you can fix Google Maps link not opening on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.